I think the biggest challenge to like becoming that professional, I guess, was a little bit of some imposter syndrome. I'm not a My education wasn't in like exercise phys. I'm not a physical therapist or a like clinician. And a lot of my education came from like inside the CrossFit gym and like taking seminars and doing reading on my own. Um, so I felt very comfortable in like coaching classes. When it came to working with somebody one on one, that was more of a like, oh, how do I do this, and not it just be taking like a class design or that model and like applying it one on one with somebody. So it was not having the skills to identify somebody's problem or identify somebody's problems and be able to address them versus just kind of like delivering some general it's been a total 180. I went from having a very uh negative mindset towards like money and what my worth was as a coach and what I should be charging, to having a very realistic and positive one. I went from kind of this like fake it till you make it and say yes and figure it out on the way, to being very confident in talking to clients about a wide range of issues. Also educating other coaches. I've had a few coaches at the gym who have asked questions about the things that I do, and have taken an interest in it. So I help them out with certain things and they ask questions and I'm able to like kind of walk them through some scenarios. My stand like my overall living situation has improved. We were able to move from a one bedroom apartment into a little bit of a bigger townhouse that has a garage where I'm able to set up a gym and do things at home. So it's just afforded me to live a more comfortable lifestyle.